Attention. Attention. This is the emergency broadcast system. Take shelter immediately. Take shelter immediately. This is not a drill. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. It has been reported that random chimp events have hit several key cities in the eastern United States. Please seek shelter immediately if you are in any of the following cities: New York City, New York; Philadelphia, Pennsylvania; Chicago, Illinois; Charlotte, North Carolina; Jacksonville, Mississippi; Indianapolis, Indiana; Columbus, Ohio; Detroit, Michigan; Washington, D.C., Trenton, New Jersey; Boston, Massachusetts; Memphis, Tennessee; Baltimore, Maryland; Miami, Florida; Atlanta, Georgia; Raleigh, North Carolina; Tampa Bay, Florida; Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Attention. Attention. This is the emergency broadcast system. Take shelter immediately. Take shelter immediately. This is not a drill. The United States government has received reports that random chimp events have been occurring in key cities in the eastern United States. The chimps involved are violent and will attack on sight. Do not engage. Do not engage. Seek shelter immediately. Seek shelter immediately. Secure your home. Lock all doors and reinforce all windows. Bring enough food and water to last at least 48 hours into your shelter. Minimize noise. Minimize light. Attention. Attention. This is the emergency broadcast system. Take shelter immediately. Take shelter immediately. This is not a drill. The United States government has outlined a plan to aid citizens in identifying possible random chimp events by using the 5 senses. Listen. Do you hear an approaching hoo-hoo or stampeding quadrupedal footsteps? If yes, there may be a chimp event. Smell and taste. Can you smell the chimp? The musty, stinky chimp? Can you taste the smell? Does it get stuck in your mouth? If yes, there may be a chimp event. Sight. With your eyes, look around. Do you see a herd of chimps barreling towards you? They travel in packs. If yes, there may be a random chimp event. Touch. Do you feel the burly hands of a chimp around your neck? Do you feel your bones snapping? If yes, there may be a chimp event. The United States military has been deployed to the cities being attacked. You may hear the sound of gunshots from outside. Do not be afraid. The military is cleansing the streets of the foul chimps. Stay vigilant. Stay alert.